How to recover old WhatsApp account without SIM. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose from Create Login and Delete. Without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. Launch WhatsApp application on your device. Sign in to your account. Tap three dots at top right corner of the screen. Select Settings from this drop-down menu box. Scroll down. Locate Help option and select that. Now tap Help Center at top. At bottom right corner, choose Contact Us option. Now you have to explain how you would like to be helped from WhatsApp. Simply here you can ask your query that how you can recover your old account on WhatsApp without a SIM. And then just tap Next button. Now select any of the reason given right here in order to recover your old WhatsApp account without a SIM. Once you reach on the section, as you can see that to each problem they have step listed down, so you can go ahead and follow this step to recover your old account on WhatsApp without a SIM. So that's for today. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe for more tech and tips videos. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.